I made red pants. Lots of problems, lots of learnings. We also got out soft jersey shorts, really super comfy, a super comfy long sleeve tee in beautiful tencel wool, track pants, fleecy, and a cobbled together top, shorts with super comfy faux shirring, heat pack, ice pack cover, plus my shower cap, it's used every day, super comfy wool stretch A-line skirt, living in it, slip skirts, a wool one too, faux shirring for waistbands, and that of course went into my quarter circle skirt cut on the bias. It was lovely. We did shirring as well. These are coming. I made a tight under top in stretchy fabric, and I made lounge pants and jazzed up these sneakers so I can wear them all year. This t-shirt got made with hand painting and the pillow slip got hand painted. Then we get to some upcycling. I made the cami out of that t-shirt, obviously in white. And then I changed this skirt so it had some elastic so it wouldn't fall down, and put a new waistband with a buckle on for these pants to make them winter ready. These joggers got a major upgrade. You can see how much better they are. New waistband, preserved the drawstring, now they're comfy and flattering. Similarly, the jazz pants, new waistband. And then my winter jacket needed a new cuff that was warm and long enough. And my sneakers needed to be cut down so they wouldn't crash into my ankle bone. And they got sewn up like these ones. If you got through all of that, you deserve a little relax. I'll see you next year in 2026. Enjoy your comfy life and I'll see you then.